everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you how to make dinner rolls. So please stay with me while I take you through the process. First, you're going to get your stand mixer and add in all the dry ingredients. Mind you, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box below, so please do check it out. So at this point, you're going to turn off the stand mixer and add in some butter and mix all of it together until a smooth consistency is achieved. Your dough must be stretchy and smooth like so. You are going to now spray some flour on your working surface. Place the dough and knead with your hands for like 1 to 2 minutes. After kneading, mold into a ball shape. Get a bowl, spread some flour in it and place the dough inside so it does not get stuck. Cover and allow to rest in one place until the dough doubles in size. Once it has doubled in size, bring it out, place on your work surface, knead again, cut into your desired size and mold into smaller balls. Place the rolls on a baking mat, egg wash them and preheat oven to 170 degrees centigrade and bake for 25 minutes. And here we go, guys, the dinner rolls are ready. You can see how lovely and delicious it is already looking. So now we are going to use melted butter to brush it up to give it that added taste and flavor. So tell me, are you going to be trying this? I want you to try it and let's know your take on this in the comment section. Once again, thanks everyone for tuning in today. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Please join this family by subscribing to this channel. And to everyone, before you leave, please give this video a thumbs up and share with friends and family. Hope to see you in my next one.